wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You see the title? Might be wondering what's going on. If you guys remember, it was last year. I think time escapes me at this point. I think it was last year. There was this big hype about KVD Beauty's Good Apple foundation. TikTok blew it up, then it went everywhere else on social media, and people were just like, you have to have this foundation. It was sold out on Sephora. I think anywhere that KVD Beauty is sold, it was sold out for weeks, months at that point. And you know, people tried it and they were like, you know, it's cute. But some people were like, yeah, the hype is real. Some people were like, it's not. And some people were like, it's cute. I think I was one of the people who was like, it's cute, you know, like I don't regret buying this. But here we are, like a year later. They just released the Good Apple concealer, and I was intrigued when I saw it because I was like, well, I like the foundation, and I know that this company, you know, history of it aside, they had the Lock-It concealer. I couldn't remember that in the Sephora video, but it's called the Lock-It concealer. It was full coverage, like that. They could probably cover tattoos, all of that. So I was like, if it's giving the same energy as that, I'm intrigued. I want to check it out. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to use the Good Apple foundation. I'm going to use the Good Apple concealer and see what it's giving. So if you guys want to know, then let's go. All right, so this is my foundation. I got this in the shade Tan 076. I did get a little tan while I was in Puerto Rico, so I'm not sure how this shade match is gonna go, but you know, YOLO, right? I mean, not really YOLO, because I have somewhere to go after this, but we here. So okay, so oh, that is really annoying. I got through pretty much blending my face to realize that the camera was going in and out of focusing. So like, I'm already this far in, so I'm not gonna start the process over, but you know, this last part that I'm blending in, I guess I'll do that on camera and then repeat what I said about the actual concealer. Okay, so what I had said is this Good Apple concealer retails for $28 for, I think it was 0.33 fluid ounces. Comes in 32 shades, but it is an extreme long wear crease resistant concealer with the same hydrating, lightweight, full coverage as KVD Beauty's iconic Good Apple foundation. Coverage is full, finish is natural, formulation is liquid. What else you need to know? This concealer uses ultra concentrated interlaced pigments to seamlessly stretch over skin for undetectable full coverage. Blemishes and dark circles don't stand a chance. The applicator also mimics your fingertip for precision and a soft touch feel. I got this in the shade Tan 173. This is me blending it out on my face. I'm gonna finish my face so we can see what I'm working with for the day. And then I'm do like, you know, check-ins and then check back in later night. That really just got on my nerves because, you know. So that is it for my face. Listen, we're gonna focus on the concealer because, you know, the foundation is giving, she's not really a match right now, but that's okay. We're gonna focus on the concealer. It is 101. I'm come back later on so we can see how the concealer holds up. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I already wore the concealer. I'm impulsive. Listen, I'm impulsive. I already tried the concealer, so I already know how I feel about it. But you know, I haven't done like a wear test on camera thing so you can see it. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll tell you, like, I was wearing it with a different foundation. I didn't have this problem. So I'm gonna come back so you can see it with me and then tell you how I feel about this. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Oh, you know, because my thing was going in and out of focus before, this is what the actual concealer looks like. Cute packaging. So it is 4:44. This is my face. Looks like, yes, I only have one ponytail still left in. This is my face. Looks like, I know this technically isn't about the foundation, but I mean, for it being a cream foundation, she's still holding up well on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in. Ooh, that's, oh wait, no, come on. Okay, zoom in so you can see what the concealer looks like. It's not really creasing. Everything's still pretty much where I left it. Can I zoom in a little more? Ooh, zoom in. Oh, okay, so I have to move it. Focus. Focus. This area right here, if I open it up to see if there's any product. Come on, any product in there? This is a close-up of what the concealer looks like. Oh, I gotta tweeze my brows. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at this concealer. I'll check in before dinner. I'm not sure, but I'll check in later. But this is what it looks like 3, almost 4 hours later. All right, y'all, it's like 12, 26, 27. I forgot. I was watching WrestleMania. I really forgot that I was filming this video. So I'm gonna do a check-in, but like a real quick one. I know my face is oxidized. I already told you the foundation shade was iffy to begin with, but we're gonna zoom in because the point is the concealer. And if you look at where I put concealer, if I open up this area, this one has product in it, but hello. Like I said, I wore this concealer the other day. I wore it with the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Foundation. Obviously a better shade range, but pretty much like the same wear because this means I've almost been wearing this for like 12 hours now. And you know, the face, besides the shade, the face is still doing what it needs to do. So I'm here for this concealer. It's probably gonna be the one that I use every time I do my makeup moving forward. So if you want to know from me, I would say go ahead and pick that up. And because it's late, I'm not really sure what I'm saying anymore. So I hope seeing me test this out on my face has helped any of you thinking of checking it out for yourself. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all that guesswork down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.